What do the wealthy do? Rather than just getting their money to work for them, they get other people's money to work for them. That's the next level. Well, hello, Get Rich Education Nation. It is Keith Weinhold here, and you can probably see I'm in a very busy Venice, Italy, one of the most recognizable sites in the world. My wife and I, in fact, just got done riding a gondola, much like that one, over my right shoulder. And, you know, I got to thinking about some things while walking the Venice streets. And, you know, I was just watching a street sweeper, and I was thinking about how poor people, they don't have any money left over to invest. Middle-class people, like maybe the gondola driver, which I learned actually make a fairly good living here, middle-class people like them, and perhaps you're just getting your money to work for you. That's actually not enough. Getting your money to work for you will never produce wealth and give you a great kind of lifestyle where you can travel to places like this. What do the wealthy do? Rather than just getting their money to work for them, they get other people's money to work for them. That's the next level. You, as an everyday person, can get other people's money to work for you 3 ways at the same time. The first way is with tenant cash flow, that monthly income minus all expenses. The second way is with government tax incentives, including a 1031 tax-deferred exchange, meaning you never need to pay capital gains on any of your real estate gains. I never have. And also things like tax depreciation, meaning a portion of your rent income is sheltered from tax. And then the third way, which is actually the greatest but perhaps the least understood of the 3 wealth creators, is you're using other people's money a third way because you're using the bank's money and you're leveraging that for your gain. So the lesson is, don't just get your money to work for you, get other people's money to work for you. And as a real estate investor, you can ethically do that 3 ways at the same time. Well, hey, I just wanted to share a bit of terrific Venice, Italy with you. It's Keith Weinhold here. I'm living one of my daydreams. Don't quit your daydream.
71% of Americans aren't saving enough for retirement. It's going to get worse as people live longer, and you need to start thinking differently. But you can't lose your time. Real estate is the investment vehicle that's made more ordinary people wealthy than anything else. Keith Weinhold of Get Rich Education is host of one of America's top investing shows, Disrupting Wall Street. He's an international best-selling author and has been an active income property investor since 2002. He has created thousands in passive monthly income for countless followers, and now he has a free book, The 7 Principles for Creating Wealth in Your Life. Get your copy now at getricheducation.com/book. That's getricheducation.com/book. Because invest in what produces income for you now and later. Keith Weinhold is your guy. Sign up now at getricheducation.com/book.